SuGiRu. To add the meaning too much or excessively to a verb, adjective, to a verb or adjective. There's no third one. Add the verb SuGiRu to the appropriate form as shown. SuGiRu is a class 2 verb meaning to exceed, which means to exceed. Conjugated forms. Alright. The conjugated forms for no mu goes into no mi. So the mu just goes into the I form. And then taberu, the class 2 one, you just take off the ru when you conjugate it. Easy peasy. Suru just goes into she. Easy enough. And kuru just goes into ki. And then you add, of course, the su, gi, ru. Oops, forgot to do that. And you just do that for all of these. That's it for the verbs, and for the adjectives, all you do is drop the I when you conjugate it. Drop the I. Same thing for the na adjectives, you just drop the na. I don't really want to write them out. Actually, I could. It's just like she, ga, because they don't really show up. Oops. Let's see. Yeah, Suzuka would turn into. What did I say? Su? It's she. Shizuka. Just without the na. Alright. Alright, I have two of the 4 examples. So we have ano hito wa chotto hanashisu ga masu ne. That person talks a little too much. Person, of course, being hito, choto being a little, talk, hana, and hana shisu, hana shi. I think that's how it is for talk. It's just hana su, hana shisu. So it just conjugates normally. I don't really remember exactly how it conjugates, but that seems right. The ne at the end, though, I don't see that very often. I assume that's how you ask a question when you're gossiping. I don't know. I don't really see this too much. Second one, kono heya wa chotto atsugimasen ka. This room is a little too hot. Room being this. Choto meaning little. Atsu, I messed up the kanji pretty bad on that. Atsugimasen. The negative. Yeah, that's the negative form, right? And then this is the question mark. Ka. Isn't this room a little too hot? So I guess if you're asking, oh, that doesn't make any sense. Why is it using masen form for, asking if it's a little too hot? Isn't this room a little too hot? Yeah, whatever. I'm pretty sure it makes some kind of sense. Okay. Kono keiki wa amasugite taberarenai. This cake is too sweet to eat. Kono cake. It seems these all follow a pattern. They all start with kono. So kono keiki wa amasugite. Amasugite. So it's just ru conjugated into the te form is too sweet to eat. Te is supposed to be like past tense form though. Amasugate. And then taberare. This cake is too sweet to eat. It doesn't mean this exactly. It means like something else, but I didn't actually write that down. It basically means this cake is too sweet to eat. I don't remember what rare means though, and I'm pretty sure that was from like last week's notes too. I might have to look those up. The next one, kono mondai. Mondoi wa watashi ni I hamozu SuGiRu. Does that mean difficult? I actually don't know what either of these means. I assume one of these means question and one of them means difficult. But which one is which, I have no idea. But look, there's SuGiRu at the end of it. This question is too difficult for me. I would assume this one's difficult. So hamozuka SuGiRu. Oh wow, it's unconjugated. This must be the plain form of it. This question is too difficult for me. It's like stating a fact. This cake is too sweet to eat. That would seem the same thing, but this one's conjugated for some reason. Right there with the te form. I'm really bad at conjugating. I really gotta look up the stuff. Alright, and that's basically it. To talk excessively, all you do is add SuGiRu to the end of either the adjective or the verb. In this case, it's not the verb. And instead it was added to the sweet portion. I think. Amosugoite. Amasugite. I assume that's sweet. I don't know. My vocabulary on this kind of stuff is kind of bad. Maybe I should actually look up all this stuff before I take these notes. That way I have a better understanding of what I'm talking about.